I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will understand how to subtract rational expressions. Now, to subtract rational expressions, we need to do two things. First, we need to factor if possible, and second, we need to find the greatest common factor, right? And we also need to include restrictions. So these are the things which we should keep in mind to perform subtraction on rational expressions. Well, these are common things to perform any operation on rational expressions. So let's begin by factoring the given terms. Rational expressions given to us is 1 over x squared plus 7x plus 10, take away 2 over x squared minus 4. So the denominator here is a trinomial, quadratic, x squared plus 7x plus 10. How do you factor this? We have x squared plus 7x plus 10. We are looking for two numbers whose product should be 10, right? So when you multiply, you should get 10. And when you add those two numbers, you should get 7, right? So that is how we could factor. Clearly, the numbers are 5 and 2, right? So 5 and 2 can work. So we could write this as x plus 5 times x plus 2. You may go through factoring techniques, just review that before getting into rational expressions operations. The second term here is 2 over x squared minus 4, which could be written as x plus 2 times x minus 2, right? Difference of squares is product of sum and difference. Now, we have already factored. At this stage, let's look for the greatest common factor. So we'll write down the greatest common factor in the denominator. X plus 5, okay. X plus 2, so we have written both from the first one. Now x plus 2 we have already taken care of. X minus 2 we don't have, so we need to include, right? So we have x minus 2 also. So these are the common factors which we should have. In the first term, we do not have x minus 2, so we have to multiply both by x minus 2. So what we get here is 1 times x minus 2, so let me write x minus 2 here, minus 2 times what we don't have here is x plus 5. So we'll multiply that by x plus 5, right? Let's expand and simplify the numerator. X minus 2 minus 2x minus 10. Do not expand and simplify denominator. Well, that's a must, okay? Keep it in factored form. So we have here x plus 5 times x plus 2 times x minus 2, correct? Combine the like terms in the numerator. X minus 2x is minus x, minus 2 minus 10 is minus 12, divided by x plus 5 times x plus 2 times x minus 2, correct? Let me rewrite this with a negative sign. You could also write this as negative of x plus 12, right? You could write like this also. It's kind of better. So we get x plus 5 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. Now whenever you write down your answer, you should include restrictions. Denominator cannot be 0. That means x is not equal to minus 5. That will make this 0. And even plus minus 2, right? Cannot be plus minus 2 also. So that completes the subtraction part. Don't forget to write down the restrictions. That's just a reminder. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you, and all the best.